What up, trappers? We're out here early. No work today, coronavirus. I'm staying home. I don't want to get sick. I'm kind of starting to get sick again. A little coffee. I'm not really achy, not nearly as bad as I was, thank goodness. But yeah, I still kind of don't feel good from it either. So I'm gonna chill out, kind of take it easy. I'm gonna do a little work today. I'm gonna get inside, get some of these videos edited. But this is the start of the stereo project, guys. We're gonna get the box wired up. Each speaker we're gonna wire it up for 2 ohms. It's got dual 4-ohm voice coils. The amps are 2 ohm stable, so we're gonna wire each sub to 2 ohms, and each sub will have its own amp. The amp that runs the 2 duals that you see here will run one of these speakers, and then the new amp will run the other one, and they'll both be set at 2 ohms. Speakers be at 2 ohms, and we're gonna get those installed, guys. I got everything out here. I got everything out here that I need. I got my Gatorade. You know, you gotta have that. I got some wire, my wire strippers, my wire crimpers, my impact gun. I got some butyl. Got my multimeter, and I got my box of connectors, and of course the speaker box. And then I don't know if we can see in here, guys. Man, the other goes by. Maybe we can see in here. Okay, yeah, we got both the speakers and the amp sitting there on the seats. So I'm gonna get these wired up, get these ready. The only thing that I don't have out here that I'm really gonna use that I didn't show you guys is polyfill. I have a bag of that inside. I'm gonna put some in there. Polyfill is different, so it really just depends on your subwoofer, the sound you're going for, and your box. So I can't really say use this much polyfill and it'll work for you, because that's not really right. So it's different, and I kind of just know. I did the other box, and I have a good idea of how much to use. The polyfill dampens the sound inside the box a little bit. It, to me, it keeps the pong sound out, and it gives you a deeper bass. The reason it gives you a deeper bass, it's like having a bigger box for your sub, I do believe. So there's a whole lot in it, guys. If you guys really want to know all the details, get in the comments and I'll explain more. It really is simple. If you don't know about the polyfill, just don't use it, or just use a little bit. You don't want to stuff your box full. Just make it light and fluffy in there, you know, soft, like a really, really light pillow. You just want to dampen it a bit, really. You don't want to stuff it full and tight so that air can't pass through. I have a ported box. I want the air to be able to pass through without a whole lot of problem. I just really want to deaden the pong sound that you get out of these MDF boxes. So we're gonna get that wired up, guys. We'll get that ready, and these duals will come out of here, and we'll start on the next little bit. So we'll see you in the next clip, guys.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.